Hello, 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 hello. Okay, am I audible, guys? Hello, how are you? So today, what we're gonna do is, again this time I forgot to plan something for this stream. So I'm gonna review one of my projects, and we'll work on some of the projects. Uh, so hmm. So this is ESP32 cam. I hope you know about this. Wait, let me check my camera. Hmm. So this is my ESP32 cam module. I hope you guys know. And I used the ESP32 cam adapter with it. As you can see, this is a normal adapter used for ESP32. You can use that FTDI adapter, something like that. That red color one. But this is easy. This one is easier and compatible with this ESP32 cam module. So I'm working on a project called Safety Bag for Kids. Actually, it's my friend's idea. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build a circuit or a system for kids protection. Like we will create a we will take a backpack, and then we will add this camera right here on the strap. I hope you can see here on the strap. And also we will add GPS Neo 6M GPS module. This is GPS module, and we'll connect this with this. Then we will add a push button, tiny push button. So how this system gonna work? When the kid presses the push button, this ESP32 cam module will click photo of that predator or whatever the situation is, and it will save this image in this SD card. Also it will send this photo to upload this on a drive or somewhere. I'm thinking of sending the picture to drive, and also it will send the live location of that kid. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna put this here, everything in this box, and then this thing will be here on shoulder or somewhere like this on backpack strap. And there will be a small push button. So whenever the kid gonna press the push button, it will send live location plus image, and it will save image. So it was supposed to be a GSM module based project where we use SIM card and we use cellular network, but there is something wrong with SIM 800 module, as it works only with 2G 3G sims, and we don't have 2G sim right now. So just for a prototype we will use this ESP32 cam, and we have to provide a constant Wi-Fi network to this. Like we have to turn on hotspot of our mobile, then it will work. Let me show you. So as you can see, I have connected this ESP32 cam module to adapter. Then I have uploaded a code, and for now I'm not going to use this what we call it, Neo 6 GPS module, because I'm facing some problems with it. Actually problems due to power. So right now the code, what this code does is, when I send A from using through serial monitor, and when it receives A, like A command, A character, it clicks photo, and then it sends live location photo, and also it saves that photo in SD card whenever the button is pressed. So let's go. I will send, let me show you. Okay. Wait, also I have to show you the... Okay, this works. Backpack. I need to plug it up, then plug it again. Let's see if it works. Bro, it's not working. What's wrong with it? Again, it's not working. Let me just... Guys, chat. You know what's wrong with this? Don't save. We have to save this sketch as a backpack. Okay, let's try reconnecting this thing. Hello Suyash. Arey Som, hello. So I plugged it again and something is wrong with this. Last time it worked properly and right now I'm on stream and it stopped working. Something is wrong with me. Okay. I hope you all have heard that sound. I have connected it successfully. Let's see. Not connected board and port, bro. I just selected port and board. Why it's happening again and again? Let's try connecting again. Okay, finally it's working. Okay, I'll reset this. Connecting to Wi-Fi connected. I hope you can see. SD card initialization failed, so I have to reset this again. I don't know why this is happening, but when I reset again, it works. Let's as you can see, it worked again. So I sent A and it clicked pictures. It has a 2MP camera and some GPIO pins. So as you can see, we have clicked some pictures. Again I will send A. And what it does, it sends live location and all that data to straight to parents of the kid. So the story behind this project is one of my friend, he gave this idea to his little brother or some random kid, and he showed that idea to in school. He proposed that idea to his teachers and everyone liked it, and somehow he got funding of 10,000 rupees. And now the problem is that kid don't know how to build anything. It just happened. So now it's my job to build this project completely and give it to him. So I'm doing it. So again, let's click a picture with it. I'll try to take a selfie and we'll see the quality of the image. Okay, I have to press A. To take picture with this module, I have to press A. Okay, and then I have to send it. So I clicked some pictures. Let's see the image quality and everything. For this I think I need to So for this we have to remove this SD card from this device. So I just removed SD card, then I have to insert it into what we call it, card reader, SD card reader. Then we will connect it to our laptop. Okay, and now we'll see the image. No, it's not connected yet. I hope it works. Okay, the thing is the LED is blinking on the SD card, but still it's not working as I expected. The SD card is not shown, has not. Okay, USB drive. So here are some pictures. Bro, why it looks like night vision? Okay, this one is better. This one is all the bad angles. Bro, where are the good images? Let's try refreshing. Okay, so this is the idea of image. 116974. Let's try this. 116974. 69. This is the image. What the fuck? Okay, let's try clicking images again. So what we're gonna do is we will insert this in as our camera module. Then we will again connect it to laptop, and we will again send command A to click pictures. First of all, we have to reset this. So I just press reset button. Hope everything is fine. No, so I have to press again. Something is wrong with this SD card, I think. Okay, SD card has initialized. SD card successfully initialized. So now we're gonna click pictures. I will hold this like we just clicked a picture. I clicked multiple images with this. Now let's try. Let's see the image quality. Okay, we connected. I hope it works now. Bro, something's wrong with this SD card. Okay, SD card, or I think with card reader. Okay, let's see all images clicked by this. Wait. Let's see all images clicked by this camera module. Sonu Rajput. Hello bro, how are you? Thanks for coming on the stream. Okay, this one is better. Okay, better than last one. Okay. That's it. All these, and we clicked maximum two like good images. Not even good, but two images. So what we learn from this, we have to hold this far away from our face to capture. Let's try capturing my friend. Again I need to eject this, then we will remove the card reader. We have to insert this. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I will okay, so let's press reset button. GPS has started. Again we will press reset button. Again we will press reset button. I don't know why I have to press reset button like 2-3 times. SDMMS initialized successfully. Okay, now we will click picture. This is my friend right here and we're gonna take his picture. Okay, clicked one, another one, and now I'm gonna click myself. Okay, 3 images, that's enough. Let's see. Okay, again let's see all images one by one. Okay, why it looks green? Again, not a single good image. I clicked this. Okay, so the thing is it zooms a lot. I need to fix its zoom and resolution and everything. So let's move on from this project because I can't disclose more about this. This is code and I have to work a lot on this project, as I'm gonna connect this GPS module, then I'm gonna connect push button and everything. So it will take at least 3-4 hours. So we're not gonna do this right now. So let's move on to the next project, but before that मुझे सुसु करना जाना है. रुको. I think I should post on my Instagram about my stream. Okay. I'm again late on the stream. That's my problem, bro. I don't start on time. Okay, I'll put this on the side. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. सुसु करके आता हूँ. होते पाच दोन केले पाच नाही झाला की दोन लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम आहे का लाईव्ह बघणारे कोण बघेल की अजून थांब की लगेच ना wait पहिला उडायच्या हे चालू ठेवून गेला मला बघितलं तुझे मला बघायला असं काय करायला लागेल करत चालू आहे काय चाललंय काय दिसायला तिथं तो पण एकदम कोपऱ्यात एकदम बारीक दिसत पण नाही खरं असं चालू का ठेवली अरे थांब की लगेच चालू केल्यावर काय लगेच येत नाही येत 15 ते 20 मिनिटं थांबायला लागते ते रेकॉर्ड झालेल्यात बघायला नाही गेला तर मला हा मग बघतेच की मग बघितलं it depends. I'm not professional bro, so it happens. No, not really. I use English because I want international audience. Videos and live streams. Hi guys, I'm back. I had to drink water, I had to pee. Okay, so I just dropped my specs. Let's get back to building something. Okay, so after that I built something yesterday. Not really built, I tried something with SSD1306 display. Let me show you. So this is my ESP8266. Hello mummy. This is my ESP8266 OLED display, not really OLED display, this is ESP8266, also known as Node MCU. Huh. I think the camera is good now. This is Node MCU. Then here we have SSD1306 display. And now what we're gonna do is we will take this. Wait, let me just adjust my wires, cables. This is ESP8266 and this is SSD1306 LED LCD display. Not really LCD, this is OLED. And now we will connect this. Bro, you play Fortnite? No, I don't. I play GTA online with my friends. I do some random missions, then I play Hogwarts Legacy. That's it. I don't play games. Like I do, but not that much. So now what we're gonna do is we are building a robot, not really robot, but I will build a robot in future with this. This is our Node MCU. We will connect this to our display and I have created a Telegram bot. Do you want to play Fortnite? Why not? I will try for sure. I'm not sure. I can't say I will, but I want to play. Actually, I don't get enough time to game. I like to play games. I would love to play with you. Okay, we'll surely play. Actually, I want to play, but I usually don't get time due to all college and all that stuff. Ground. So here we have to connect the ground pin. Then this is our wait. Let's try different color jumper wires. This is green jumper for SCL. And okay, what are you building right now? I'm building something. I don't know the name because okay. So the thing is, this is our display. This is Node MCU microcontroller which has inbuilt Wi-Fi in it and it can connect to internet through Wi-Fi. So what we're gonna do is I have created a Telegram bot, a normal Telegram bot. So whatever we write on, whatever message we send on Telegram bot, it will display on this OLED display. So that's it. So you can call it something like a messaging device or a display, something like that. So what I have in my mind is creating a small tiny cute robot with this display and some 1 or 2 motors and gift it to your loved ones. And I have a lot of plans with this idea. I can't disclose all things right now because I'm working on it, so I'll show you some glimpse of it. Bro, I'm trying to find some jumper wires. I don't have enough jumper wires. Actually, I had a lot of jumper wires, but I don't know where I used them or wasted them. So I have to connect these 2 wires to D1 and D2. That's it. We have connected D1 and D2. Then I'll connect this USB. Okay, let's see if it works or not. TFT instead of this screen. You can use TFT, but it will be costly. So this one costs like 160 rupees and this for like 200 rupees. So in final project I'm not going to use this one. I will use Wemos D1 mini. Let me show you Wemos D1 mini, which is like smaller version. So you can gift it to anyone, bro. That's the main point of building this, like for me at least. So this is Wemos D1 mini. I will use this with this display and it will be very tiny little display. I don't want to make it like interactive. I want to make it a one-way messenger. Like imagine I give this to you and you place it on your desktop, and I'm giving you, like, I'm sending you motivational quotes. I'm helping you study. I'm randomly texting you and it's displaying there. So that's the whole point. You can use TFT though. Okay, let's see if it works or not. I had this code. Do you know that tiny robots they sell? What they call it? Okay, so I have this code. I'm gonna upload it. Robots like Otto, Otto Vector. Also, there is brand called Sunflower, I guess. They also have a robot, but they are just normal servo motor based robots. They make some cute faces and that's it. So I'm gonna take it one step ahead. I'm gonna take it one step ahead by, okay, I can't show you all things. Nice. Now I have to sleep, but currently I'm working on a drone in which the flight controller made with Arduino Uno and MPU. Nice. So you are building drone. That's cool. I am also trying to build one drone. I haven't started it. Okay, something is wrong. Access denied. I can't give API and all that. Yes, bro. Access denied. Bye bye. Good night. Thank you. Bro, why it denied my access? Bye. Okay, done uploading. Let's see if it works or not. I just placed receipt. And it's not working. So I'll replace this pin with, still no response. What else we can do? Okay, so I connected this display. Let's try changing jumper wires. Okay, let's try on breadboard. I don't think I have a... Okay, this is my breadboard and I will connect this. I think there is problem because this board is too big for this breadboard. What should we do? What else we can do here? Okay, let's try changing the jumper wires. Okay, I got node MCU. Yes sir. Okay, I got some female to female jumper wires. I will connect these two to V input and another two to D0 and D1. Sorry, D1 and D2. Okay, so this blue is our VCC, then this purple is our ground, and these two are our SCL and SDA. I don't know which one is SCL and which one is SDA. I just connected this. Let's see if it works or not. I have uploaded the code. I'll connect this. We connected. Let me check SCL and SDA. Bro, I always forget SDA and SCL. Done uploading. It says done uploading. Okay, I'm not getting any input from this. I'm not getting anything feedback from this Node MCU. But it says uploading done. What should we do? Port monitor error, command open, failed, serial busy, could not connect. Guys, do you have any solution for this? It says what it says. Let me read again. Port monitor error, command open, failed, serial port busy, could not connect to COM7 serial port. I have faced this issue a lot, but somehow I get away with this. Let's try again. Okay, let me just search about SCL and SDA real quick. SCL and SDA of Node MCU. D1 is SCL. Where is D1? Suggest me best online site for Node MCU. Okay, go with RoboCraze and Robo.in. So I use RoboCraze. Actually, I never faced problem with RoboCraze. Like every product is good from RoboCraze. That's what I have experienced. Not sure about others. Others might have faced problems, but I never faced. Okay, so D1 is SCL. Okay, D1 is SCL, correct. D2 is SDA. D2 is SDA. This is also correct. But why I can't get anything on this display? Where are you from? I am from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Okay, let's try some example code for this display. I have this code. You can try quartz components also, but what they do is they don't give you original like full price. They show you all components price without adding taxes. So you add them to cart, then you go to payment, and then you realize then they add taxes to it. So actually quartz components is also cheap. You can try. I used to order from quartz components, then I switched to Robo. Then recently I ordered some components from TakeSMS. TakeSMS is also good. Guys, something is wrong with this. I don't know what's wrong. Let's see. Uploading code to another ESP, another node MC. Where are my other node MCs? Bro, I can't find my other node MCUs. I had like 3 or 4 of them. Okay, I got my box. This is my box. I have this ESP32, then I have this Node MCU. Let's try uploading code in this Node MCU. I have selected board and port. I know I'm not that dumb, but still there is something wrong. That's what I feel. ESP32, yes, ESP32 is legend. ESP32 is like most powerful, better than Arduino and every other board. Let me upload again Node MCU. You can use I have this Wemos D1 Mini. I can use this one also. D1 Mini is also good. This is like smaller version of Node MCU with less GPIO pins. It has D0 to D0 to D8, so you get 9 GPIO pins, 1 analog pin, 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Access denied. Wait, let me just paste this on my chat GPT. Let's see if chat GPT can solve our errors. How to program this tiny ESP? Just like you program your normal ESP, you have to connect this right here, micro USB. Connect this micro USB to your laptop or PC, and that's it. You have to download some libraries for Wemos D1 Mini. That's it. You don't even need to download something. You can use. Oh, I see. Yes, micro USB. You can just use with like normal your Node MCU. You can select Node MCU and you can upload. Okay, so we uploaded code. Now let's try this display here. Connect this display here. Okay, now this time I'm going with 3 volt. Let's try using this with 3 volt. And D1 is SCL. D1 is SCL. Okay, I connected it in a wrong way. Something is wrong again. I use this display very often with all types of boards, but this time it's not working properly. It works with 3 volt also. Okay, let's try uploading code again. What if it works? So I'm uploading code again. Yes, I made Wi-Fi router around like 5 or 6 months ago. Okay, so let me show you what my chat GPT said. I tried Wi-Fi router with that tiny Wemos D1 Mini. I made a watch with it. I made a small robot with it. Bro, ESP watches are the coolest thing. Try it once. Build a smartwatch or wristwatch, something like that, using ESP. Wait, let me just clear all my tabs. And this is our chat GPT. I just pasted my error. Variables and constant RAM. Good morning. The classic COM port error strikes again. Let's break it down like JZ. Okay, drivers permission. Close serial monitor or Arduino IDE. Okay, so we have to close Arduino IDE completely. Okay, closed. Check in device, right click, start device manager. If it appears, okay, try plugging ESP32, kill blockers. I don't have any blocker. Close other VS code. Okay, let's see if my VS code is in. No. Quick share. I have a lot of things going on in background. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Always close serial monitor before uploading. Okay, let's try uploading again. As you can see, I have connected this, and this is my code. Maybe due to, okay, I'll close serial monitor, started uploading. Maybe because of I forgot what I wanted to say. Damn. Okay, connecting. I think this time it's working. Writing code. Okay, 5%, 10%, 26, 31. T minus 63%. Okay, it's working. It's working 94, 100. Okay, so this time ChatGPT really helped us. Uploading, still uploading. I hope it works now. But nothing's on this display. Let's press receipt. Okay, now the thing is, code has uploaded in this node MCU, but still we are not getting anything on this display. SCL, let's check pin out again. Okay, the pins are correct. Let's disconnect and connect it again. Okay, oh, I forgot that you guys can't see. Let me just adjust my camera and all. Okay. I pressed reset again. Okay, I pressed reset and still it's not working. Let me check SCL and SDA. So, as per the Google, Node MCU has D1 as SCL. SCL is D1. So, green should be at D1. Okay, I have connected. Then SDA to D2. Okay, this is also correct. Then, what's wrong with it? You guys have any idea why it's not working? It worked a lot. I have used this thing multiple times. Wi-Fi connected. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, let's try uploading a example code for this display. This display is by Adafruit SSD1306. Let's try uploading that code. Maybe the display is cooked. Might be, but it worked though. I have like 4 displays and all of them are working fine. I have built multiple projects with this display. Okay, uploading has started again. Let's see. Now this time I'm uploading official code from Adafruit, I guess. I made a robot for Valentine's Day. If you guys have seen my video, I built a robot for Valentine's Day, named it Wingman, and I went into college campus and I used to approach random girls. I used to go and be like, press this button please, and when the girl pressed the button, the robot used to make some cute faces, and I added some pickup lines to it using DFPlayer, and it was amazing. Everyone was like, damn, this boy had something in it. Okay, let's try reseating again. Bro, whenever I try to stream, whenever I do something on stream, it doesn't work. But whenever I do it alone in my room with lights off, it works. I don't know why. But recently that's I'm facing. Again it's not working. Okay, let's try different display. Okay, now this is another display. Bro, it's not funny, stop laughing. Okay, I'll unplug this node MCU. Then this is our VCC. I have connected VCC. Then this is our ground. Okay, ground. I connected ground. Then D1 is our SCL, which means green is our SCL. I connected green. Then I connected yellow. Our code is already in the microcontroller. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Let me clear all the mess. I uploaded code. I'll press receipt and it's not working, guys. Congratulations. What if we just connect this to 3 volt and we'll press receipt. Okay, it's working finally. I hope you can see it's working. It's showing something like connecting to SSID and whatever. It's working finally. Check this out. I'll press reset again. Yes, and again, but I feel something is wrong again. Something went wrong again. I don't know what, but it says connecting to SSID, Adafruit connected, IP address, and sending value #0. Lose connection, might be lose connection, but bro, I changed jumper wires 2-3 times, so I don't think. Let's try our code for my custom code for that Telegram bot and all. Okay, so I'm uploading that code. Let's see if it works. I'm facing problem with OLED displays from 2 days. I never faced something like this before. Go with Hindi bhava. Actually, I want to do it in Hindi. But the thing is, आपला ऑडियन्स नाही आहे. ऑडियन्स नाही म्हणजे आहे ऑडियन्स, पण त्यांना इंटरेस्ट नाही आहे. आय ट्रायड इट. सो आय एम थिंकिंग लाईक व्ह्युअर्स पाहिजे तर. अरे तोच तर विषय आहे. I used to make videos in Hindi, but they never showed interest in it. So I tried English, and when I stream at like after 12 a.m., I get a lot of foreign viewers. That's the thing. And if you check my subscribers, most of them are from like they are not Hindi speakers. That's the thing. Okay, it stopped working again. What I'm seeing on this serial monitor is, भाई आपसे कांटेक्ट कैसे करें? मेरा इंस्टा आईडी है आइडियाज़ बाय सुयश. यही जो चैनल का नेम है वही मेरा इंस्टा आईडी है. आप मुझे ये कर सकते हैं मैसेज वहाँ पे. ब्रो अगेन इट स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग. आज पण टॅग्स नाही टॅग्स लावलेत मी. टॅग्स डिफरंट असतात ब्रो. टॅग्स आर नॉट ऑन युअर लाईक not hashtags. Hashtags are different from normal tags. Like we YouTubers have that access in YT Studio where we can add tags. Bro, it stopped working again. I'll unplug it, then I'll plug it again. Okay, working, booting up as expected. Working. Okay bro, मेरे आपके लिए एक बड़ा ऑर्डर है ऑडियो प्लेयर रिलेटेड. ओके मुझे मैसेज कीजिए. ओके गाइज इट्स वर्किंग. इट्स शोइंग टाइम. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइज कैन सी दिस. लेट मी शो यू. आई होप यू कैन सी. लेट मी सी. कैन यू सी दिस? वेट, आई विल टर्न ऑफ रिंग लाइट. Okay, so the I don't think he takes. Yes, I don't actually. I take orders, but like some random projects. If you watch this stream from the start, I explained a project about safety backpacks. So yeah, I have a not really startup, but I started a thing called 7 and Tech, where I build projects for engineering students and I sell them. So I take orders, but not all type of orders. Like uh, Pawan wants something related to audio player, so I don't think I do that audio player stuff. I build something like this. Okay, as you can see, this is showing time and some cute face. Now I have my phone in my hand. I have this telegram bot called Jojo, and as you can see, Jojo is online. I hope you can see Jojo is online. So I have some messages already. I tried pretty little baby, it's been hard for something like that. Okay, I'll just send hi. I hope it works. I'm on stream, don't disappoint me. Okay, it's showing hi. The font is very small, so I don't think you guys can see. I'll upload code again. Okay, I'll message something bigger. Hi guys, how are you? Hi guys, how are you? And okay, I just sent this and it's displaying hi guys, how are you? Bro, bro, we don't want to see time. We want to see hi guys, how are you? I think I need to hold this. Okay, I'll try again. Hello, sir. I need to fix this code. Okay, so I pasted hi, hello, sir. I hope you guys can see this. Hello, sir. Okay. Okay. Hold on. I'll change display. मला मग तर ड्रेनेज वर मदत कर. I will help you guys, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna build your project fully. Like I will help you, no doubt. Actually, the thing is, half of the projects from my college, I build them. Like this time I build like 20 projects. Okay, this time it's working, booting up. I hope you guys can see. Let me just upload code again with bigger font. I will help you with drainage system, but if I have time, I will help you more than just mm, giving you some random advice and all. Okay, now I'm uploading code again. As you can see, this is just a normal smiley face I created. Okay, the code has started uploading. And the thing about Hindi is I tried Hindi, but I saw many of my viewers are from Indonesia, Thailand, all those random countries, bro. So I don't want to lose viewers. I will use Hindi in between like I do usually. But again, okay, booting up. I hope you can see it now. Let me see. Guys, can you see? See this? It says booting up. Uh, let me see if you guys can see. Yo, write in the chat if you can see this text. Hazel YT Bahu, you can give this thing to your loved ones or girlfriend I'm working on. So, I have this display. This is my smartphone. I will write something. I will write hi Hazel YT and some. Okay, so I just sent this message. Let's see if it works or not. Bro, where to hold this? Okay, high hazelwhite. It displayed high hazelwhite on this display. But the thing is, I thought I changed text size, I changed font size, but again the font is same as it was. Okay, let's do 2. Show time. So I'm gonna build a proper product out of this thing. That's what I'm planning for now. I don't know. Show expression, show time, client update, bot message, send text. Okay, let's try uploading this code again. Technologia, yes. So instead of using Telegram bot, I'm thinking to building something like my own website where you and your girlfriend will have these 2 bots on each other's desk, and these 2 bots will be connected to each other. Like before you two connect, your robots can't connect to each other. That's what I'm planning. Okay, so I'm working on this. Guys, don't copy this idea. If some creator is watching this, this is my original thing. Don't do this. Okay, booting up. I hope you can see this. I'll check my OBS. Okay, booting up. Then I will try something. Okay, as you can see, it says bot is online. Bro, why mirror world? Okay, I'll send something. Hi. So I just sent hi, and it says hi. Now I will say something like subscribe. Okay, I sent subscribe here, and the bot says subscribe. I think you guys can't see this. Okay, so that was my idea of building something for cute couples. ते आम्हाला नॉर्मल को लेता है ना. I don't know, copy the idea. Not about you, bro. Like there are a lot of other. मागचा काय सदम्यात गेलाय काय? वेट. शिव्या झाला मला सदम्यात जाय नाही. Meet my friend Sanket. He recently realized that we all should earn money. So this guy is trying to do some side hustles to get paid. And he is in last year of his engineering. And he just realized that money is important. Before that, he was like, hey, yo, manuski is important. Okay, so मागच्या भाऊचा ब्रेकअप झालाय. संकेत, तुझा ब्रेकअप झालाय? नाही. Sanket is working hard nowadays. Wait. Sanket is building something. Quality check. A lot of things. लय जोश आलाय. होय, भाऊला 1-2 दिवस झालं. Sanket started watching English content all of a sudden. Before that, he was going full Hotel Bhagyashree. And I'm watching him from yesterday. Bro started like everything is in English. I don't know what happened. तुझं टोपण नाव सांगू? Okay, so let's get back to this idea. Let me do some more things with display. I had some codes. Cute face. Yes, I have some codes called cute face OLED display. टोपण नाव सांग. Hello Virendra Dada, how are you? टोपण नाव नको. It will be very embarrassing for him, so I don't want to disclose it. Wait, there is a new library I downloaded recently. Let me show you. So you got it, guys. I made this thing. I made a Telegram bot, and now whenever I send a message to Telegram bot, it displays on this OLED display, so we can build something cool with this. And now I'm going to show you a new library I downloaded. I found it somewhere, then I modified it and I liked it very much, so we'll try that. This is my code for this. Bhai, literally Gajni movie चा खान दिसते. होय 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 होय. I agree with you. Wait, let me find that code. Examples. अरे examples. Dolly Chaiwala big fan. Dolly Chaiwala in the chat. Shout out to Dolly Chaiwala in the chat. Flux Garage. Okay. Shout out to Flux Garage for this library. I wish I had this library before. So, what Flux Garage has done is he created some robotic eyes for poor creators like me. Now I can easily display robotic eyes and all that stuff on this OLED display. And I have the ability to create my own like version of robotic eyes. So I'm gonna do that. I have created some different versions of robotic eyes like round eyes and heart eyes. I use. Okay, check this out. I hope you guys can see. No, you can't see. Sorry. Okay, check this out. This is Zozo the bot. UPI ID mention कर. नागपुरात सापडतोस काय डोल्या. नाही रे मुंबईला भेटेल. Actually bro, I'm thinking of adding my UPI ID and all that stuff, but I don't want to. Actually I need money. I need a lot of money, but still it's too early. I feel like that, so I will try. Okay, where to hold this thing? Okay, this is bot. Should I, what should I do to display it properly? Wait. How is this? Bro. Okay, I'll upload something different in this. Something went wrong, I feel. I just pressed receipt and it just, I think it's not working again. Okay, I'll change the mood. So yes, please add your UPI. Okay, from tomorrow onwards I will add UPI. I hope it works well, like adding UPI and all that stuff. Okay, let me show you code. This is the easiest robotic eyes you can make. I spent like year trying to find how you can create robotic eyes using this display, and I was able to create some random facial expressions on this display, but I couldn't create like proper robotic eyes. So here Flux Garage has created this library and you can do this easily. So this is library, this is the code. Hold on, let me just turn off my other cameras. This is the code, and you can change moods of your robot, like you can display different expressions. Okay, so here you can change size of the robot eye. So that's what I was saying, that you can create custom robotic eyes. Okay, here you can change size and all that stuff. Then here you can change mood of your robot, and this is default. I will just change it to angry and I will upload it. Let's see if the robot gets angry or not. Okay, the compiling has started. I'm uploading the code. Okay guys, again thank you for being on the stream. It's going well. So started uploading. Let me show you my camera view. Okay, the upload is what क्या हुआ? Jatin Singh, thank you. Uploading has done, and I think I need to reset this thing. Bro, ये jumper wires lose है. Again, guys, again, it stopped working. Something is wrong with this display. It works one time, then again it stops. Nice, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, let's try uploading again. But I have changed jumper wires multiple times. I have replaced this microcontroller. I tried several things. It works for some time, then again it turns off. Bro, what are you making? Nothing. I'm just playing with this OLED display, and I'm thinking of building some robotic eyes stuff, like a tiny desktop bot, or say, what we call it, companion robot. तेजा भाई की कॉलेज मधली मुलगी पटेल तुला. ॲक्च्युली आय फील लाईक दॅट. कॉलेजमधली मुलगी पटू शकते, पण मी पटणार काय मुलगीला? जादा झालं. Bro, someone has done black magic on my display. Let's try switching cables. Okay, SCL wires are correct. No problem with connections and wiring. Again, something is wrong with this display. Not really display. With this. Okay, let's do this. Where are you from? I am from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Okay, let's try this thing with Arduino Uno. Because Arduino Uno never disappoints. You can call ESP legend and everything, but Arduino is the real G. Everyone has started with Arduino Uno. Whatever you say to it. ESP32 is good, no doubt, but still Arduino is the easiest. And Arduino is wrapped up, like you can do a lot of wrong things with Arduino and still it won't like just turn off or shut down or burn. Okay, so I need to find some jumper wires for Arduino. Actually, I am using all these. Bro, you are the top G. And and rotate. Not really. In reality, I am just simp, bro. I act Sigma. Like in real life. I act Sigma, but I'm not. I hate all that Sigma thing. Like, bro. Fellas be acting Sigma and staying single for life. Actually, they act Sigma because they don't get girls. Like, they don't get social, what we call that. They can't interact socially, so they say I'm Sigma. Bro, you are not. You are cringe. Okay, let's try connecting this to Arduino. And okay, so the SCL and SDA in Arduino is A4 and A5. Like I connected SCL and SDA to D0, D1 and D2, but while using it this with Arduino, you have to connect it to A4 and A5. If you try to learn about these displays, then you will understand what I'm talking about. DFPlayer mini not found, bro. I'm trying to upload different code. I think I forgot to upload post about this stream on my Instagram. I feel like that. Okay, let's try resetting. No, it's not working. Okay, again I will reset this thing. Yo Deku, how are you? Bro, I feel something is wrong with this display this time. Troubleshooting. A4 and A5. If you know about all these microcontrollers and Arduino, then I think you know SCL and SDA. This is what we call it I2C protocol, where you can use multiple devices using only two pins, two GPIO pins. Okay, let's see if I have connected SCL and SDA correctly. SCL SDA of Arduino Uno. Okay, so SDA is A4. SDA is A4. Okay, I have connected it in a wrong way. Let's try again. Let's try resetting this code. No, it's not working. Hi Deku, what's going on? Bro, it pisses me off. Like you are fine, you are working, and next second it doesn't work. Black magic is real thing, guys. Someone has done to me. Someone has done black magic to my display. That's what I feel. Okay, the code is correct, everything is good. Okay, I'll try again that test code by Adafruit. Okay, I'm uploading code. Wait, I forgot to select the board. You guys have ever worked on something like this? If yes, then please guide me or just tell me how you did it. Okay, I unplugged the Arduino, then I again plugged it, and I'm uploading code. Uploading done. Let's see if it works or not. No, it's not working. No, it's not working. Should I just solder wires? What if I just solder to display? Okay, I will solder. This is my stolen soldering iron. I stole this. Okay, IO test began. Code is working. Everything is fine. I pressed reset button. Everything is fine, but still it's not working. So something is wrong with my connections, I guess. 5 volt. What if I use it with 3.3 volt? Okay. So the story about this soldering iron. I stole this from me and my roommate. We went to a event in a different city in different college, and they had this soldering iron on a table for whole day. And at the end of day, we won. We received a prize and all, and no one was taking that soldering iron to home. So my roommate said, uh, "Take it," and I just put it in my backpack, and we came home with this. Let me check my chat. Okay, so I do a lot of mistakes while soldering. So don't copy my soldering style, because I do a lot of mistakes. Like, as you can see, my wire is coming in between. And again, don't use sandpaper. Use that brass thing. I don't have that, so I'm using sandpaper to clean this soldering iron. But you should not try this, or should not do this. So this is our node MCU. I'll just solder it. Okay, again I'm doing a lot of mistakes while soldering. I do my work, like it works, but still I will suggest don't do what I do while soldering. So I have these wires. These rainbow LGBTQ wires. I'm not homophobic. You can see Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. Happy Pride Month, guys. Happy Pride Month. Okay, so we need like 4 wires. It is 4. Where is my scissor? And now what we're gonna do is I will just solder these wires. Okay, let me be clear, I have wire stripper, but it takes a lot of time, I feel, to use wire stripper, so I just use my teeth. And I don't know, it's oddly satisfying to do this, like guilty pleasure. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just solder this red one to V input, or say 3 volt. 3 volt is better, so I'll solder this to 3 volts. I hope you can see. Let me adjust my OBS studio. Where's that red one? This side is better. Okay, it's too much tin here, I guess. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not that good at soldering, but I do, and it works. So my soldering works though. Like, I have never faced problem because of soldering and all that. So we have to connect this to D1, then D2. Okay, this is D2. Then we have to connect D1. Where is that? Another wire. Row. Where is another wire? Mm, you guys see another wire? Okay, so I had to connect this black wire to ground, but I mistakenly connected that chocolatey one, brown. Okay, I have done some mistake. I have problem with Arduino. What are you facing? What are you building? Is there something with code or connections? Okay, we just solder these wires to node MCU. Now we have to solder this to our display. Okay, this is VCC. Then I'll connect ground. Okay, connected ground. Now this is SCL. Arduino Cloud Agent cannot set up. Which Arduino you are using? Are you facing with? Okay, you want to set up Cloud Agent. I don't know, bro. What are you talking about? Cloud Agent. Wait, let me see. Okay, so you are using Arduino R4. You really using Arduino R4, bro? Like usually people use Arduino. Not really Arduino. They use ESP. ESP32 or something like that. ESP32 8266. So how's your experience with Arduino R4? I have never used Arduino R4. Okay, so soldering has completed. Let's try connecting this. Okay, I forgot to plug it in. It's working. For IoT remote, I want. Bro, I have built IoT, not really IoT, but you can use ESP now. Like, I feel that's the easiest thing. ESP now, using ESP now, live communication protocol. You just need two ESP32s or one ESP. Or if you want to do something IoT stuff, you can go with Blynk, ThinkSpeak, or you can build your own server and dashboard using Firebase. Firebase is good. You can try Firebase if you have that. Like you don't even need a lot of knowledge for Firebase. Okay, so I am uploading code right now, and all that problem was because of loose connections. So I soldered it and now it's working properly. I hope you guys can see. Let me check. Okay, I will put this all. I need to turn off my soldering iron, guys. Never forget to turn off your soldering iron because I have did some crazy things. Okay, I hope you guys can see. This is our bot. Can you make a video on that? Okay, I'll try. You better go with Blynk. If you know about Blynk, Blynk is like easiest and closest thing. Like easiest IoT setup. Blynk. You just have to create a, what do you call that, dashboard. You have to create a device. That's it. Okay, I will increase the text size. No, I don't need to increase the text size. I want to increase cursor display. Okay, I will increase text size here. I'll do like 4. So our Telegram bot is working. I have just sent a message saying hi. Okay, it's displaying, it's working. I hope you guys can see. And this is time is not accurate. I'm using NTP. You guys know about NTP. I don't know the long form of NTP, national time, something like that. But what NTP does is it uses something called, wait, let me tell you. I can't explain this NTP. I'm not that pro. I tried Blynk, but there is problem in connection. What's problem with Blynk? Because I use Blynk a lot. Like I have built multiple projects with Blynk. The problem with Blynk is they give you only 5 data streams in free version, and the paid version is like around, I don't know how many dollars, but it's very expensive. Hi Hunter Experiment, good to see you here. Okay, so what we were trying to do, I was telling you about NTP, no authentication token. No, the NTP. Okay, NTP pool. Bro, there is let me show you. Should I show you about tell you about Blynk? Okay, I'll tell you right now. Okay, so I will tell you, I will show you about my Blynk account. So this is my Blynk setup. Okay, these are my authorization token. I'm giving you authorization token, but I can't give you template ID and template name because you can control my robots then, and I don't want that. यार मेरे को इंटरेस्ट है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में. दैट्स गुड भाई हंटर भाई. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड Blynk. This is dashboard of Blynk, and okay, this is my robocars dashboard, and I can control forward, right, backward, left. Now my bot is offline. So okay, what we are talking about is data streams. These are our data streams. There are only 5 data streams in free version. फुल स्क्रीन करो. फुल स्क्रीन, अच्छा फुल स्क्रीन नहीं हुआ ये. वेट, सॉरी, मुझे लगा है फुल स्क्रीन है. ओके, अगेन शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. तो मैंने यहाँ पर ये लॉगिन किया Blynk. मैं स्टेट के अंदर फर्स्ट आया था. मेरा एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था रोड सेफ्टी. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस भाई, बढ़िया, लगे रहो. क्या था मतलब उस प्रोजेक्ट में? ओके, सो ये है अपना Blynk. दिस इज और Blynk, एंड दिस इज और ऑथराइजेशन टोकन एंड ऑल. I can't give you all details because you can then control my robots. No, you can't, I guess. You need my account and password. Okay, so this is Blink's interface, and these are two devices. This one device is car, and you can control car forward, right, backward, left, and all that stuff. So what I was saying is AI based model था, बढ़िया. API यूज़ किया था क्या, किसी रास्पबेरी पाई पर यूज़ किया था क्या? ओके, सो आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट डाटा स्ट्रीम्स. सो ये होती है डाटा स्ट्रीम्स. दिस आर डाटा स्ट्रीम्स. हाउ शुड आई एक्सप्लेन यू डाटा स्ट्रीम्स? Okay, data streams is like you can a virtual pin, okay, virtual pin, and you can connect something to that pin, and you can simply you can connect imagine there is a virtual pin and you connect the push button to one side and a LED bulb to another side, and when you press that push button or on that virtual pin, the LED blinks. So that's it. यार फ्लाई स्काई ट्रांसमीटर ले रहा हूँ. फ्लाई स्काई का कौन सा, विच वन, लाइक FSI 6, और उसमें भी कुछ मॉडल है ना, बहुत से मॉडल फ्लाई स्काई में. PC specs. Now how to connect with Arduino. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to, okay, I'm giving you details. What you have to do is you have to go in device and what we call that, you have to select device and here template setting. Here you can select your board, like which board you are using, then what type of connection you are using, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, satellite, GSM, LoRa, or whatever. So in this project I'm using this ESP8266. Then connection type is Wi-Fi. Here you can select Arduino, ESP32 or anything, or you can just simply select other, and okay, that's it. Then you here put your quick start template description and all that things. Then you get this Blynk template ID, template name. Then here is your authorization token. All you need to do is just copy this and paste it in your top of your code. Like let me show you how to use this. Like what I do in every code, this is my award winning project's code called agribot, which is like agricultural based project. Like robot, you can control it from anywhere in the world. Okay, so as you can see, wait, let me show you. Okay, PC specs क्या है? PC के specs है this is my Asus TUF A15 laptop with RTX 3050 Ti graphic card, DDR5 RAM, 16 GB RAM, and 1 TB storage. Not really 1 TB, it's 940 GB, I guess. And that's it. Ryzen 7 processor, and it has two fans. It has mux switch, you can switch. It has RGB keyboard. That's it. Military grade certification. And I don't know what happened. It's been 2 years. I have used it a lot, and yesterday I noticed that there are I lost two screws of my laptop. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I saw and there was no screw. Okay, so this is our template ID, name, and all that stuff. I'm showing you. I should not show you, but I'm showing you. Okay, this is template ID, authorization token, and all that stuff. And you have to put this at the top of your code before libraries and all that. And then this is your rest of the code. So that's it. Nothing else. If you watch like 1 or 2 tutorial, you will get how to build this thing, and you can control cars and everything like robots. This you can monitor humidity, temperature, ozone, NO2. This is another project. So Blynk is very easy. So we were talking about NTP pool. So NTP pool organization, the internet cluster for internet what NTP servers. What is NTP pool? A worldwide system of voluntarily operated time servers that uses the network time protocol. Okay, so NTP means network time protocol. Good. मेरे पास तो i5 8th जनरेशन है और RTX काम चल जाता है ब्रो. नो ट्यूटोरियल विद Arduino ओनली विथ ESP32. I don't know. It's already 12 AM. I forgot. Huh? I'm not sure. You want to work here? Then I want. What you want? Okay. Okay, my roommate is getting freaky with me. My friend is getting freaky with me. I'm scared of him. Okay, so you are saying that क्या बना रहे हो? ये देखो भाई, ये है मेरा डिस्प्ले और इस पर हम रोबोट की आंखें प्रिंट करेंगे. एक मिनट रुको. हो रहा है. ओके, सो अभी हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं? तो सो वी वेर टॉकिंग अबाउट नो ट्यूटोरियल्स ऑन Arduino 4 with Arduino R4 with Blynk. Arduino R4 Wi-Fi Blynk Ultimate. Bro, there is tutorial present. रोबो काम क्या करेगा? जो आप उसे करवाओगे वो करेगा. Like it depends on how you build it, how you design it. Okay, let me show you robotic eyes. Check this out. It's working. तो ये है अपने रोबो की शक्ल, फेस. Okay, this is just one thing. Like he's in angry mode. Now I can change his mode to tired. Let's try tired. TIRED. Okay, now the robot will change its facial expression to tired. Okay, now it will change its face. Okay, now this robot is tired. Guys, honestly, please tell me, does it look like a robotic face or robotic eyes, and like the robot is tired or something like that? You think like that? Bro, which college, which year? I just completed my second year of BTech in electronics and telecommunication, and my college is D.Y. Patil College of Engineering from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Okay, so it looks like tired or scared robot. Let's try happy. HAPPY. Okay, let's try happy. And also I can change size of these size of eyes and position of eyes and all those things. Guys, again, thank you for coming on this stream and being with me today. You guys really motivate me. I stopped streaming and building robots and everything. I stopped everything recently. I was just focused on my paid projects and stuff, but you guys motivate me whenever I come live. Okay, this thing is tired now. Not really tired. It looks like scared. What do you think? हार्डवेयर कब बनाओगी? हार्डवेयर सून. मुझे एक प्रॉपर उसका एक डिज़ाइन बना के इसमें कुछ और फीचर्स भी ऐड करने हैं मुझे. ओके, इसकी ना हाइट बढ़ा दे इसके आँखों की. अभी 36 है, इसको कर दे 42. लेट्स ट्राई डूइंग 42. ओके, 42. और जो आंखों की रेडियस है, रेडियस को करते हैं डिक्रीज। ओके, और जो दो आंखों के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू आइज, विल इंक्रीज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू आइज. So I have made some changes in code. Let's see. I hope you guys can see this. And I have changed mood to happy. So now our robot is happy. Let's see if it really looks happy. Nice, thank you. Okay, I forgot to turn on my ring light. Okay, okay, this thing is happy now. You guys think it looks like a happy robot? Wait, does it look like a happy robot? Or should I just change this? डिज़ाइन दिखाओ. किसका डिज़ाइन कह रहे हो? रोबोट का? वो अभी नहीं बनाया मैंने. मतलब मेरे माइंड में कुछ नहीं भाई. एक छोटा सा रोबोट बनाएंगे हम, इतना सा छोटा सा. ये डिस्प्ले, इसके पीछे होगा एक माइक्रो कंट्रोलर, बैटरी, एक दो बटन, स्पीकर या फिर बजर, एंड बहुत सारा कोडिंग होगा जिससे ये वाईफाई को वगैरह कनेक्ट होगा. और उसमें हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ ऐड करेंगे. जैसे कि अभी हमारे पास 4 मूड है. अभी हमारे पास मूड है हैप्पी, टायर्ड, एंग्री एंड डिफ़ॉल्ट. ऑल्सो वी कैन चेंज साइज ऑफ आइज. लेट्स ट्राई decreasing the width. Now the width is 36. I will change it to 32. Okay, I changed width to 32, and okay, that's it. How you code yourself or import? Actually I do code myself, but this time I found this library on channel called Flux Garage. You can check this out. They have made really good robots. I don't know if Flux Garage is still active on YouTube or not, but this library is very amazing, and I wish I found this little bit early, because I have created my own robotic eyes. Hey bro, hello. Actually I have created my own robotic eyes, which is also good, but this one I like this one, so I will use this format from now. Okay, so what I did is, okay guys, please tell me, स्पाइसर थोड़ा बड़ा होगा, छोटा नहीं होगा, मीडियम होगा? हेलो हेलो शिवांग, आई सी योर चैट. थोड़ा बड़ा होगा, छोटा नहीं होगा, मीडियम होगा. स्पाई कार, व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट एमके गेमर? स्पाई कार और व्हाट? स्पाई कार बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए, वेट लेट मी शो यू. कहाँ गया वो? स्पाई कार बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए ये क्या है? ये है ESP32 कैम. इसका यूज़ करके हम स्पाई कार बना सकते हैं. ये वाईफाई को वगैरह कनेक्ट हो जाता है, और एक वेब सर्वर से हम वी कैन कंट्रोल इट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड यूजिंग ब्लिंक, थिंगस्पीक और फायरबेस. बट you need to provide a constant Wi-Fi network to it. Okay guys, so this is from hi brother, hello, can you suggest ultrasonic sensor? If you want to use a use for normal project, go with HCSR04 HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. Let me show you. It's like one of the basic and easiest ultrasonic sensor. I have this stack of sensors. Okay, this is one. I want to talk to you. कर लो ना भाई बात. You can always talk to me. Check out my Instagram also. You can message me there. Are you listening to me? Yes, I am listening to you. I have some, but they show error. Depends on your code. What are you making, bro? I don't know what I'm making. I'm just trying different libraries and codes on this display because I'm working on something which includes display. SSD1306 display. Okay, Tony Stark bro, I am listening you. And if you want to discuss something, we can discuss here, or you can message me on my Instagram. My Instagram is same as my channel's name. And I have some birthday show error. What type of error you are getting? You there is some mathematical part while using this. स्पीकर बड़ा होगा, रोबोट छोटा होगा, थोड़ा बड़ा क्या 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 स्पीकर बड़ा होगा, रोबोट छोटा नहीं होगा, थोड़ा बड़ा होगा. हम्म Actually, I don't want to use speaker. I will use buzzer there. Like, you know that those small buzzers. Let me see if I have one. Okay, this type of buzzer. And you can play tunes. Are you graduate? No, I'm in second year of engineering. Actually, I just completed my second year. We have holidays now. Which headphones are you using? Red Gear. Check this out. Red Gear. My friends gave me this headphone as a birthday gift. It's very cheap and reliable, and I recommend these headphones. But size is too much big, bro. So you can't wear it more than 2 hours. Okay. You can use. There are data fluctuation on constant object. So you are not getting a constant value. Like if some object is 4 centimeter away or say 10 centimeter away, you are not getting constant 10 centimeter. That's what are you saying, right? You are getting like 9 10 9 10. If it's only 9 10, then it's okay. Depends on how you depends on total how you put that object in front of your sensor or how you hold that sensor. But it should not be problem. They say hi bro, hello. It should not be problem. Actually it should not be problem. It's showing like 9 or 10 centimeter. क्वालिटी कम होगी, फील्डिंग लग चुकी है. फॉर रियल ब्रो, फील्डिंग लग चुकी है. आई हैव रिटन ऑल माई पेपर्स बट स्टिल फील्डिंग लग चुकी है. क्वालिटी कम होगी. एक्चुअली बजर से हम प्ले नहीं कर सकते ना, मतलब म्यूज़िक नहीं प्ले कर सकते. बट इफ़ यू आर बिल्डिंग अ टाइनी रोबोट देन it will be like टू 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 something like that, टू 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 something like that. Understand? गावात डीजे आणलाय. Nice. I want to build an quadruped for ATL. Can you guide me? I will try for sure. I never built a quadruped robot, but I built dog robot like 2 years ago. जोरात काम आया. Thank you Desai. Actually, which Desai are you talking? I make maze solver, so difficult PID. How many ultrasonic sensors are you using? Like one for front, another for left, and another for right. Something like that. Like let's see some maze solver robots. Maze solver robots are amazing. Like it feels really autonomous. It's simple concept, but still it feels really good. Maze solver, obstacle avoiding robots are always fascinating to me. 3. Okay. Bye. Like 4 legs controlled with servo motors. So 4 legs. So you need around 12 servo motors. Yes, you need 12 servo motors. So you are using. So much love from Prayagraj. Thank you so much bro. Love you too. बाय. अगर सोने जा रहे हो तो इट्स बीन लॉन्ग टाइम. ताई अच्छा नहीं होगा, 2 करेगा. हाँ, if you want to play something like music audio file, then you better go with DFPlayer Mini. I showed it yesterday or a day before in my recent stream. DJ मिक्सचरचं काय येते काय करूया की. There is a lot. Actually, DJ mixer. Yes, if you guys have heard about it, there are some DJs who use amps like current and frequencies and all that stuff. I can't even name. They use that to make music. They use that to make music. Wait. Okay, so we were talking about Maze Solver robot. So we can build DJ mixer using all these things. Okay, Maze Solver robot. You are talking about this type of maze. Micro mouse. You guys know Edge Avoider robot? Wait, let me just. Why are you using ultrasonic for measuring distance? Then you think a laser, that sensor with laser should use. What are projects that you build until today? I have built a lot of projects. All projects on my channel. Then I have built a Mars rover, internet control Mars rover. Then I built something called AgriBot for agricultural. Then I built some tiny watches using such displays. I built a pill dispenser using ESP32, which is like recently that project won first prize in capstone competition, and a lot of projects I don't even know. I built a gesture controlled robot army, like something like that, swarm robots. Then I built a tiny robot dog, tachometer, and some simple projects, some complicated projects, some my original ideas, some are like common projects. I built recently a project using Raspberry Pi called Yoga Pose Tracker, where you do LED करून भेटेल काय फोटोची नाही DJ वर लावाय होय LED करून भेटेल बट quality of LED not gonna be that good. Depends on LED's bulk कसला आपण वापरालोय. We can build something like Sharpie lights, but still LED quality. Okay, so we were talking about Maze Solver robot. Also, you asked me about what projects I built. Okay, this is not Maze Solver robot. Okay, no, this is Maze Solver robot. DJ वर पाहिजे म्हणजे आवाज होते की बारक्या बारक्या DJ वर होते. This is Maze Solver robot, but it has only one sensor. Okay, this is something. It has 3 IR sensors. Bro, you can try this. Which one of your project taken longer to build? Longer to build. I will say a forklift. It was a final year project of a diploma student, and he said, "Bro, help me out." And I took that project to build, and it took me around 15 days to build. You guys heard about forklift that used in industry to lift objects, lift, and so I built mini version of that, and it could carry around 5 to 6 kilos, and it was fully remote controlled. It could carry 5-6 kilos, and it was fully metal. So it took me very long to build, and they used we used chain mechanism to lift that object. Like there was a chain, and when the motor was rotating, the chain was going like this. So we used that. Okay दादा झोपतो आता. Okay, bye good night. This is Maze Solver robot. Neon strip light use करना. I have neon strip light. Wait. Let's. Actually, I have ring light also, so we can use ring light. Let me show you my setup. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Okay. This is my setup. खर्च येऊ देत किती पण. मग त्यापेक्षा मग विकत घेतल्याला परवडते. यू कॅन बाय इट इझिली. Okay, what we were talking about is maze solving robot. So this is maze solving robot. They have used L29A10 motor driver. Then they used these three ultrasonic sensors. So I feel this is little bit difficult for a beginner. LED strip, neon LED strips are good. Okay, so also I feel there is power factor. You better power these ultrasonic sensors directly from this motor driver's 5 volt. I should try one ultrasonic based maze solver robot. And the PID logic should be accurate. You know guys what? I'm learning what we call that, PLC programming. I recently started it. Okay, so let me adjust my. Who is your inspiration? Okay, let me show you who's my inspiration. Check this out. दाखवू काय तुला? Doraemon is my inspiration, bro. I need Doraemon in my life. Like, I feel everyone needs a Doraemon in life. Then I have Spider-Man is my inspiration. Then Dr. Dupin's Mirth, Wall-E, Harry Potter. Then I have Kanye West here. So not a single inspiration. This is a wall of inspiration, and I have a lot of people to stick a poster here. I have to put. I want to put a lot of posters here, but पहिले जे प्रोजेक्ट दाखवा ना. Okay, wait. You can just simply go on my YouTube channel and watch my projects, but I will show you some. Actually, I don't keep my projects as it is. I break them. I am also third year NTC student. Nice. Where are you from? I am in third year. I just entered in third year now. Okay, so this was my project for 10 marks. I showed it in my recent stream, I guess. Okay, this is a laser security system, not a big deal. It's just simple laser security system. I used a laser, then I used here. Okay, I think I need to adjust my lighting. I used a LDR here. This is LDR. This is laser and a normal ESP8266. So what it does is, when the laser light is tripped, it detects as a intruder, like intruder has entered in your private property. Then it makes sound. It alerts you through this LED and buzzer. And then I have created a web page in HTML. Basically I used ChatGPT for it. I use AI a lot, no cap. So what it does, Odisha, nice. etc, same, just like me. I feel, yes, just like me, we are in the same batch. So this is very easy project. Let me show you real quick. Not a big deal. It was for like 10 marks. Okay, something is wrong with this LED. Okay, it's working. This was for 10 marks, so I built this. And when we had a bigger competition, that time I built something called object detection. Yes, object detection, and it's based on LDR, like laser security system. So this laser beam straight points to this LDR. LDR means light depending resistor on a project continuously without taking rest. Okay, if you talk about without taking rest working on a project, I have worked like whole night. I was working on some projects, not a single one, on multiple projects. I didn't sleep for like whole night. I started at 10 p.m. and I was awake until like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. And I was working on a project because it was like paid project, it was freelance project, and I had to complete it. There were multiple projects and I had to complete in a 1 or 2 days. PDF कसं पाठवू माझ्या प्रोजेक्टचं? Message me on Instagram and I will tell you, or you can just upload it on your drive and share me link. 8th में बिना पिछले साल 8th में बिना Arduino के. Yes, you can do this without using Arduino. You need a BC546 BC547 transistor, एक दो resistors, and that's it. Same as building a smart street light using transistor. So what's the main feature of this project is, it was sending alert messages on web server. Also it was sending alert messages. Also it was keeping a record at what time the intruder entered and all that stuff. So it was more on a web server than hardware thing. So it was for 10 marks. The external asked me a lot of questions. We replied them politely. Nice to meet you and appreciate your efforts. Thank you so much and thank you for being on the stream. So what we were talking, PDF. Guys like karo. Yes guys like karo. Thank you Dolly Chaiwala. Like karo, follow karo, subscribe karo. You guys motivate me, so I will keep uploading. उसी से बनाया था. Yes, BC547 is good. If you know how to use a BC547 NPN transistor, then you can build like 20 projects easily. If you understand about it. See you again. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and then sleep. So once you understand about BC547, how it works, then you can easily build like 20 projects. Let me show you what type of projects you can build. When I was in first year, I made some easy transistor based projects and I sold them to my classmates. So this is my another box of components, and this thing is BC547 transistor. I hope you guys can see. This is BC547 transistor. This is a NPN transistor, and it will take some time to understand what is NPN. Just know that it works as a switch. आजा, कहाँ पर आ जाओ? तू आजा. Okay, so it works as a not really switch. Okay, switch, or say it works like a water tap. So this is your flow of water and this is your water tap, and you turn that tap on and off by giving some signal to this leg here. So your water is going and the water is here. You do something, you give some signals, and then the water flow continues to flow. Bro, मैंने वो 8th में बनाया था. That's cool bro. Now in which standard are you, or are you in college or some? ते मेन मुंबईमध्ये ना एक स्टार्टअप त्यांनी हायवेला स्ट्रीट लॅम्प्स बनवले आहे जे माणसाच्या वॉकिंगने दिवसभर चार्ज होतात आणि रात्री लाईटअप होतात. सो ओके, आय गॉट इट. तुझा प्रोजेक्ट होता तो ते स्टेप विच जनरेट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Okay, so my roommate won a competition with that project. So what they did is, there are two ways to build that project. We need people like you in our population who will contribute. Thank you so much, Tony Stark. I hope you will also do some crazy stuff like this. I'm not even doing a lot, but I'm trying my best. Okay, so 9th में हूँ. That's cool bro. Now you should learn about basics of electronics, like all that resistor, transistor, and if you know that, go to go towards microcontrollers, like all these Arduino, ESP, and after your 10th or 11th, when you learn understand and learn microcontrollers fully, go with your robot operating system, ROS, and all that stuff, like advanced robotics. It will be very helpful if you want to go in that field. So you were talking about that startup. So how it works is there are two ways to build that. One is using piezoelectric. Piezoelectric, if you know about piezo, let me show you. त्या भाई सांग त्या प्रोजेक्टवर अजून काम कर, रिप्रेझेंट इन युनिव्हर्सिटी लेवल. येस, यू कॅन डू दॅट. हां, करू शकतोय. ओके, सो माझ्या रूममेटने कसं केलेलं सांगतो. सो वॉट दे डीड इज, लेट मी शो यू ऑन MS Paint. It's been long time since I used MS Paint. Okay, so there were two ways to build this. One is piezoelectric. First of all, show micro चालू है अभी तो. अच्छा, ओके, क्या piezo electric. Good night, Abhi. I hope we gonna make new music in upcoming time. Hit me up whenever you are free. I have mic and all, and we will record something. त्याला पण बोलो स्ट्रीमवर ॲडिशनल इन्फो देईल. आज नाही आहे तो आज एक रूममेट घरी आहे अँड अनदर रूममेट इज इन ISRO. ही इज डुईंग हिज इंटर्नशिप. Okay, let me show you piezoelectric sensor. This is piezoelectric sensor, and when you put some pressure on this thing, it generates electricity. Call college में. No, I can't come in your college. I have internship going on. VC के पर 12 बजे कल कुछ साइफर करना है क्या कल. Okay, so this is piezoelectric and it generates electricity as you put some pressure on it. So you can use this to generate like electricity while walking. And other than this, what my roommate did is they created a step which had springs and had some like gear system, and there was a geared motor also. And when you step on that platform, the springs would compress, the gears were rotating, and basically that motor was working as a turbine. Not really, something like that, like a generator, and it was generating electricity around like 12 volts. Yes, 12 volts for very low time. So it wasn't that reliable, but it was creative. Like people use these piezoelectric sensors, but they used motor instead, so they won first prize. Let me see if I have one piezo. I had some piezo sensors. I recently built that thing. देखते क्या करना है bro. I have internship, so I can't visit your college tomorrow. We will talk about this. I am free on Saturday, Sunday. इसका internship. No, I am not doing internship there. It's like a training program and internship also. Okay, so this is piezo and we can build MSCB. होय, डबा घेऊन जातोय MSCB रोज सकाळी. Okay, so what should we do now? Okay, so I was explaining you about that my roommate's project. So this is your platform. Then you have 4 springs. Okay, mind my drawing, I can't draw. वाला घरची लाईट कापेल फॉर रिअल ब्रो. आणि जर माझ्या इथली जर लाईट गेली ना, तर मग माझं वायफाय बंद, सगळं बंद होते. इथं जरा पण रेंज नाही, सगळं बंद होते. ओके, दिस आर 2 springs. Then they used a rod, something like this. Then they had a motor here. This is our motor, and there was another joint here. And when you press this platform, when you press this platform, it was going right down here, then the cycle completes, and it was generating electricity around I think 12 volts. No more today. No, I have a lot of time today. No, I don't have time. I have to complete my assignments. I have to uh, do some coding after this stream. Okay, what should we do now? Should we end this here? Or should we? Computer घेणार आहे नवीन लवकर. That's cool. घे, चांगला घे. तयारी ठेवा. आमच्या इथे आभाळ जरी आलं की लाईट जाते, पण पाऊस काय येत नाही. 2-3 फोन केला की बोलतो पाऊस पडेल म्हणून बंद केली. इथे एवढा इश्यू नाही आहे लाईटचा, बट स्टील कधी कधी गेली की माझा सगळा प्रॉब्लेम होतो, कारण सगळं बंद होते. माझ्याकडे झोपण्याशिवाय काय ऑप्शन नसतो. ओके, लेट्स ट्राय समथिंग विथ दिस डिस्प्ले. Bro, again something is wrong with my display. Did I forgot to upload code? I don't understand. Candlelight dinner with roommate. Yes, nice idea. I will try for sure. I wish my roommate was a female. Okay, let's see. This display is really pain in my ass. Not really. Okay, I have uploaded the code, and again this thing is not working. Bro, please मला ESP32 चा TTS AI tutorial सांग. वेट, बस भाई, आपण त्या गजनीवाल्या भाईला वीक देऊ. गजनीवाला भाई झोपलाय आता. गजनीवाला इज नॉट माय रूममेट, ही इज माय फ्रेंड. माय रूममेट्स आर नॉट हिअर. गजनीवाला इज ऑलमोस्ट माय रूममेट. गजनीवाल्या भाईला आपण वीक देऊया. ओके, वीक. ब्रो प्लीज मला ESP32 चा TTS AI ट्युटोरियल व्हिडिओ. व्हॉट डू यू मीन बाय TTS? ओके, you want to integrate ESP32 with AI, something like that? Bro, I still don't understand this display. It works one time, then again it shuts down. Let's try again uploading something different. Adafruit library. Okay, this is our Adafruits library. Okay, I am again trying Adafruits original. Emoji दिसत नाही. कशावर? डिस्प्लेवर ना? हां, हो, डिस्प्लेवर इमोजी दिसत नाही. फॉर दॅट यू हॅव टू कन्वर्ट दॅट इमोजी इन टू अ इमेज. देन पण जे फोन्स बंद असतात त्यांचे कॅमेराज नाही. वी कॅन यूज मोबाईल कॅमेराज, बट यू नीड ऑल दॅट स्ट्रीप अँड other required hardware. I tried once. I ripped off camera of a old Samsung Galaxy Y 2011 model. 11 or 12, something like that. 12, I guess. Okay, so this thing is working, I guess. I will try different code now. Emoji. For emojis, okay, I was talking about images. Let's try displaying images here. So what should I display here? I'll display Doraemon. कोणते emojis? Chat मधले emojis. I can see emojis in your emojis that you guys are sending me. OnePlus 7A पडले 3. 2. Nice. I think we should try those cameras, but again हार्डवेअरचा थोडा प्रॉब्लेम होतोय. should we change? Let's try changing shape of these eyes. Okay, so I have reduced width to 28 and I have increased height to 44. So it will be like tall eyes. There is delay in my stream, I feel like that. Actually, there is delay. येस कोड कंप्लीट आहे कोडमध्ये चेंजेस करायचे होते ते केले लेट सी डोळ्यांची साईज चेंज होते का लेट सी इफ द आईज चेंज शेप और नॉट समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग अगेन लेट्स ट्राय रिस्टार्टिंग दिस What can be the problem? Let's try sending something from serial monitor. You guys know about serial monitor? Serial monitor is like let's say a board or a communication platform where you communicate with your microcontroller. You communicate with your microcontroller and using your serial monitor in PC. So if I have to send something to my microcontroller, I will just write it here on serial monitor and I will press enter, and then rest of the work will do my laptop and this our microcontroller. Okay, again this display has disappointed me. Let's try using Zozo. I don't understand what goes wrong here. Like I have used this multiple times and still Wingman was one of my best creations, bro. It gave me a different what we say, it gave me a different personality in college or something like that. ऑरा बढ़ गया. हाँ बेसिकली ऑरा बढ़ गया मेरा कॉलेज में. मैंने विंगमैन बनाया. Not really mysterious aura, like a Pookie aura, something like that. Bro, it's been more than 2 hours we are streaming. Okay, now it's working. So, what's wrong? What goes wrong here? Now it's working, but before that it wasn't working. Okay, let me just... I have received the notification of your bot is online. Okay, I will end this stream because I have to complete some assignments now and I have to sleep because tomorrow is my internship. Tomorrow is Monday. Monday is like more Mondays, more problems. So I don't like Mondays. And tomorrow we will stream tomorrow again with some crazy stuff. Like today is just, it was just, I think तू त्याला एक बॉडी दे. येस वायर लूज होते म्हणून नसेल. नॉट रिली. आता वायर्स तर आपण सोल्डर केल्यात. समथिंग, there is something other things that are bothering here. Hi guys, thanks for showing up. Okay, this thing is working really good. Like I like this library. I found this library like a month ago. Okay, thanks for showing up. I need to do some changes in code because I have made a code where it displays the text messages as I'm sending from Telegram for like 10 to 15 seconds, and every 10 to 15 seconds it shows time. So what I'm going to do is I will add 3 buttons. one button is to change the mode. It will have 3-4 modes. One mode is just a normal clock like this, another mode is some facial expressions, and the third mode is the messages your loved ones can send you on Telegram. So these are 3 modes, and I will add another mode which will be like Flappy Bird game. So we'll press birds just like your T-Rex dinosaur game. So there will be 3 modes. And what about the third button? Need to think about that third button. I think we don't need 3 buttons. We need only 2 buttons. One for changing the mode and second for playing the game. That's it. And again, I'm thinking of adding all that buzzer and all that stuff. I will make it like this tiny, so you can use it as a kitchen also, kitchen for your any key. Okay guys, that is it for today. It's almost 1 a.m. Thanks for showing up again. Thanks Dolly Chaiwala for being here till the end from the start. Thanks MK Gamer. Thanks Chiku Reacts. TTS, I will check out about TTS. Also Abhizadav, thanks. We will make a new trap song soon. Hit me on Instagram or WhatsApp. Tony Stark, make sure you follow my Instagram. So thank you everyone. That is it for today. It's been more than बस काय भावा तुझ्यासाठी काय पण. Thank you so much. Thank you. That is it for today guys. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and if you like my stream, show this to your friends. I hope they will like, and even if they don't like, show them. At least more people will know about me. So thank you so much. And if you have anything to discuss with me, you can message me on my Instagram, as you guys know. Yes, Instaला मेसेज केला मी बघतोय पण. Okay, PDF. You can use Drive, or I will send you something. I can't disclose here. Or just post it on your Insta. Not really Insta. Just post it somewhere on Drive and share me link, and I will check it out. No worries. So, and yes, your Drive scene काय आहे कळत नाही. ओके, बेसिकली काय करायचं, जसं मी कोड वगैरे टेलिग्रामला आहे मी. जसे मी कोड वगैरे अपलोड करतोय ना, सेम just upload your file, create a folder, upload your file to Drive, and then go to there is option called share or permissions or link. Just share link, and there you will get something like कुणाला exactly share कराय, viewers, who's gonna be your viewer. So there you can give permission, like whoever with link, they can open your PDF. That's it. Or you can just message me on my Telegram. Usually I don't use Telegram, but for you I will try. I will use. झोपणार आहेस? झोपतो की. झोपतो. Okay, so the Gajni guy is telling me to sleep, so that is it for today guys. Telegram ला काय नाव आहे? I will send it to send it on Instagram. Message me. I will send it. Wait a minute. Working on it. Okay, I have sent you my Telegram ID. Bro, we got still 7 people with me watching me right now. That's what motivates me. And ignore my background. This is my towel, this is my hoodie, this is my pant I'm gonna wear tomorrow, and this is mechanical. Even though I am in electronics and telecommunication, my roommates do this all that mechanical stuff. So that is it for today. Message me on my Instagram. Bye bye guys. We will stream tomorrow again and we'll build something with this thing. Actually, I don't get enough time to plan my streams. I just show up randomly at random time like 10:30. But from tomorrow, I will try to come at 8 p.m. and we'll build till like 12 a.m.